Hi everyone, welcome to Julie's Kitchen. Today we're making jack-o'-lantern cakes for Halloween. Today helping me is Erina.
Hi.
We haven't been here in like 20 years.
It's been 84 years.
Here's what you need. First, we're going to pour in our butter. Nice. Brown sugar.
Ooh.
Then cream it together. Sorry, my gosh. Until smooth. Wow. Then add your eggs one at a time. And beat until smooth. Add your vanilla. Add your milk. And your sour cream. Hello?
You need a spoon.
This is what will keep the cakes moist. Moist. Here's all our beautiful seasonings. Into the flour.
I went the wrong way.
It's fine. Who knows left from right? And whisk it.
Whisk it away. Whisk it away.
So that's mixed. Dump it into the wet mixture.
It's supposed to be like a doughiness, right?
Yeah, like a thick batter. I want it to splishy.
Oh, there we go. It's beautiful.
Look at you.
It's like that's a nice color. Oh yeah.
Add the pecans. Wham!
Damn.
Sorry, were you not in focus?
No, I am.
And mix it. We have the cake batter. Now we're going to put it into a piping bag to pipe it into our cakelet pan. It's so cute! Put the batter into the bag. Yay! Ta-da! Take your pan, spray with Pam. Holy mamas. Oh, it's Halloween.
Oh.
We'll fill it up about halfway. Boop. Did not add enough batter to my bag. It's almost gone. Everything is perfect. No, I did not. I definitely did not. Here's the runt of the family.
Remember the donut?
We don't speak of the donut. Take your pan and bump the bottom so the batter spreads evenly.
Bad batter. Now we bake it in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 to 20 minutes or until cooked all the way.
We're tired. Yes. He's solid. He's a solid boy.
So you are cutting his face.
Well, let's see.
Gender reveal.
It is pumpkin.
A pumpkin.
Cheers. It's so good. You should make this right now for Halloween. Thank you for watching Julie's Kitchen. Tune in next week for another video. Bye. Happy Halloween. Ooh. That was not planned. Jack Skellington is on your shoulder. Not really. You're like, hello.